Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you step by step how to rotate your video in Shotcut, for instance to 90 or 180 degree. It is super simple and you absolutely don't need any video making skills whatsoever to pull this off, so let's get started guys. Okay, so in the first step, launch the Shotcut video making tool on your computer, create a new video project and give it a name, for example test 123 or something like that. And after that, simply start adding video clips to your video project, like for example that one here I recorded for demonstration purposes. Add a video track to your timeline here below, like V1, our first video track. Place your video clip on your video track by drag and dropping it like that. Adjust its position if needed, crop it. And now guys, the following is super simple. Now to add a rotation effect to your video clip, select filters here on the left hand side and use that search bar here to search for a filter called rotate or rotation. Simply type in rotate here in the search bar and select that filter here, size, position and rotate, to apply that to your video clip. And next guys, select your rotation degree here below, like as you can see currently it's at 0 degree or 0 angle, which is the normal default setup. So to change it to let's say 90 degree rotation, simply move that slider here to 90 degree or set it manually at 90 by typing it manually. So that's basically it guys. Now you can change it to 180 degree for example, or to -90, and play around here as much as you like guys. So as you can see, super simple and can be done by anyone without any advanced video editing skills whatsoever. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later.